Icy drops were hitting my chest.
Frederick, that is just the rain on the roof.
No! This is pure emotion! It is not a childish imitation! It is not a raindrop! It is my fear, my loneliness. My music expresses pure emotion, not the noise of a leaky roof. To say otherwise insults my genius.
This middle section captures the terrifying feeling of being trapped. Chopin lived in a deserted monastery. He became convinced it was haunted by ghosts. George Sand wrote down her version of the story anyway. Publishers realized that a romantic story about a rainstorm would sell far more sheet music. They preferred that over a boring title like...
Now that you know the backstory behind Chopin's famous Prelude No. 15, would you still play it the same way?